Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a watch list on forex.com application. To delete a watch list on forex.com, first of all, launch open the forex.com app, or you can also open up forex.com website and log in. Once you're logged into your forex.com account, locate the watch list tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, inside My Watch List, go ahead and select the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Edit this watch list. You will then be able to see a little minus appearing right in front of your currency. Go ahead and tap on the minus button in order to delete a watch list. Soon after you do that, you will be able to remove the selected watch list from your page. Repeat this step for every other watch list you would like to delete. If you accidentally delete the wrong watch list, you can always create a new one. So if you want to learn how you can create a new watch list, stay tuned to our channel for more videos about creating a new watch list. So that's how you can easily remove or delete a watch list on forex.com application. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.